Greetings from Solved Gadgets. We constantly work to compile an incredible assortment of cool gadgets, and today we have some mobile houses that you may not have seen before. Let's watch the video. Being a house of habitation on wheels is an apt description of this mobile home, which is an accurate phrase from my point of view. Australian designers came up with the idea and produced such a promising alternative. The construction provides approximately 300 square feet of living area for the homeowners in this 28 feet long superstructure. Among its most appealing features and most desired traits are a cockloft bedroom, a practical L-shaped kitchen, and a wide tiled bathroom with a window. Several bespoke drawers and cabinets with storage space have been created. It offers an opportunity to create a new space like that of an office, as well as under the stairs towards the attic. The interior decoration is contemporary as well as fashionable. It includes a significant amount of LED lighting systems and fusion trim that has been combined with genuine wood. You could expect to pay around $130,000 for this mobile home. In collaboration with the German professionals, let's flip the key to determine about their opinion. These professionals have this epic UNICAT motorhome available. Even though it has been taken out of the repair shop for 10 years, it is still in fantastic shape and capable of operating in even the most difficult situations. It will be based on a 6x6-man TGS vehicle with something like a 480 horsepower engine. It boasts a satellite navigation system, a 12-speed automated transmission, as well as strong xenon headlights are also included. The amount of fuel stored in the tank storage is 211 gallons. A flexible pole and equipment are housed on the rooftop along with solar panels. Especially in comparison to some flats, living inside a camper van is more convenient because it includes a full bathroom, a kitchen with a stove, a refrigerator, and other utilities. A room featuring a giant screen couch, a table, and several beds for dining and relaxing. The following product is a work of art made by a Swiss business corporation with a plant facility in Portugal. As a result of being dependent on the Iveco daily, it initially appears unattractive. This RV is already so large that it comes with a garage in the rear, and this is only the beginning of the delights for the clients. This RV having a length of 30.2 feet and a weight of 16,500 pounds. The crew creates these vehicles by request, and as a starting point, you may select either Iveco or other manufacturers, such as Mercedes. There are pre-made sets available, or you may be creative and come up with your own. The typical form comprises a huge bedroom or garage, a bathroom, a kitchen, a lounging space, and rotating chairs for the driver and navigator. By allowing you to extend the awning, switch on the lights, or extend the bed with the press of a button, the interspersed smart system facilitates control. Polish professionals are likewise well-versed and knowledgeable in mobile caravan homes, as evidenced by this peculiar little residence. In addition to visiting new perspectives, the organization suggests finding a way to interact with nature. Furthermore, to unwind on the couch when watching your preferred TV program. The property is 614 square feet and also has 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, a bathroom, a lounge, and a balcony. Underfloor heating and polyurethane insulation coating assure relaxation, while the large windows provide stunning views of the outdoors. The mobile home is around 35,200 pounds and 8.2 feet tall. The corporation is confident, and it would seem that they are correct that a mobile house has sophisticated workmanship. There is a market for these homes, and roughly 2,000 of them have currently been traded in 16 European nations. As a result, it will take roughly 4 months from the time you place the order for your mobile home. Australia is a temptation for the adventurous traveler since it is just one of the most populated nations on the globe. In many cases, the most picturesque places are also the most difficult to reach. Be reminded by a local business. With such a 180 horsepower engine, this off-road campervan is offered with either 12 or 16 gear setting. Designed on a chassis that is barely 12.6 feet long, the Iveco Daily, it has a cooking room with a stove and a sink, a bathroom, a room with a big bed, and a sitting space with a couch and a TV. You may buy customized components and set up solar panels that can generate up to 7 kilowatts of power to give it energy. The 79 gallons of liquid collection system is divided into distinct cells and is filter equipped. For convenience throughout all weather situations, a fuel and water heating unit is further provided. A video maker said, "This really is ridiculous in light of the 1076 square feet of floor area in this Italian camper van." And as a fact, we concur. It is a camper van identical to those utilized by teams and drivers. Internally, the camper van is nearly identical to a premium residential complex. A corporate conference may well be held without any issue, and hosting a family gathering is simple, and unwinding after a long day of working is feasible. The restroom is large and sufficient enough to hold many individuals for the evening, as well as the balcony is highly recommended for a barbecue celebration. That really shouldn't come as a surprise, considering that perhaps the enormous house is 44 feet long and expands to over 20 feet wide in just 30 minutes. Furthermore, it is artistically engineered, luxuriously outfitted, and well equipped with needed amenities. Horse selling is a successful industry. The entire economic effect of the horse business in the United States had been predicted to be $102 billion in year 2018. The fact that there are approximately 10 million horses throughout the country and a portion of them are fortunate enough to travel in such vehicles is understandable. The vehicle you encounter on the mobile display is indeed a combination between the RV equipped, including all US-made comfort and security, and a specialist horse trailer. The maker states that this caravan raises the bar for adaptability. This awesome vehicle is 8 feet wide and 7.8 feet tall, and it's promoted as a family car. This family caravan is crammed with many features. The design of the twin beds is excellent. This spacious bedroom is located upstairs in the trailer and can easily fit 6 people. It also features a TV for watching movies. There is also a kitchen that includes a double sink and integrated oven with a 3-burner stove. The restroom is really pleasant and spacious with enough of storage and a shower option. An area for entertainment close to the kitchen side. Moreover, there's a folding dining option with plenty of room for legs, and a 15 feet enclosed space for multiple horses. That is something a camper van requires. The one and only remaining query is exactly how this beast maneuvers through urban streets. Let's just calm down. There are some people who just don't require electricity, a huge cargo, a tiled toilet, or any of the other features of the versions mentioned above. This Australian caravan, which features a classic design and intriguing changing parts, will appeal to enthusiasts of straightforward and small solutions. This trailer's couches can be folded flat to create a bed that is acceptable even for someone who is around 6.4 feet tall. The bed has a light above it, so you can read comfortably during the day and enjoy the stars at night. And as a result, the kitchen was moved to the back rather than being squeezed within. The camper has a chamber where a transportable shower may be set up, in addition